Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you're welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this logo easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. So friends, at first we have to set our face. To do it, you have to click on the file, then click on the new, then select answers from here, then click on this box and type 3.5, then click on this box and type 2. Then you have to click on the create. After set up the page, you have to select the shape tool, then select the round shape, then press and hold the shift key, then draw the shape in here. Then select the move tool, then you have to select this and drag this in here, then go to the properties, then click on the fill, then select the black color. Then you have to click on the stroke, then disable the stroke. Then you have to select this, then press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this and drag this in here. Then you have to select the shape tool, then you have to draw the shape in here. Then you have to click on the fill, then select the white color, then select the move tool. Then you have to select this, then you have to rotate this. Then you have to increase the size of this. Then drag this in here. Then you have to select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take it over from this. Then rotate this. Then drag this in here. Then rotate this again. Then you have to select this, then you have to increase the size of this. Then you have to select this, then increase the size of this again. Then select this, then increase the size of this. Then you have to select this and drag this in here. Then select this again, then press and hold Alt key, then take it over from this. Then you have to select the shape tool again, then select the rectangle tool. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select the move tool, then rotate this. Then drag this in here. Then you have to decrease the size of this. Then decrease the size of this again. Then drag this in here. Then press and hold Alt key, then take it over from this. Then press and hold Alt key, then take it away again. Then you have to select the shape tool again, then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select the move tool, then drag this in here, then press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then you have to select this, then go to the layer panel, then you have to click on here, then click on the eye button of this layer. Then you have to select all layers. Then we have to drag this in here, then select all layers again. Then you have to select the shape build tool, then press and hold Alt key, then click on here. Then you have to select the pen tool, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here, here and here. Then select the move tool, then select all layers, then select the shape builder tool, then press and hold Alt key, then click on here, then click on here. Then you have to select the move tool, then you have to click on the eye button of this layer again. Then you have to select these layers and drag these layers in here. Then you have to select all layers again, then select the shape builder tool, then press and hold Alt key, then click on here. Then you have to click on here, then select the move tool, then select all layers, then you have to press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here. Then you have to click on the file, then click on export, then click on the export as, then select the location, then type the logo name. Then select the PNG format, then click on the export. Then select 300 ppi, then select transparent, then click on the OK. After exporting the logo, you have to open the Adobe Photoshop. So I am opening the Adobe Photoshop from my PC. After opening the Photoshop, you have to open the logo mockup. So I am opening the mockup. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, Then select the logo, then click on the backspace. Then you have to open the exported logo. Then select this and drag this in here. Then decrease the size of this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then double click on here. Then click on here. Then select the black color. Then click on the OK. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this and drag this in here. Then you have to press Ctrl plus H1 from keyboard. Then you have to click on here. Then click on here. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.